Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and removing causes of delay. Make sure you know your passcode and are signed into your Apple ID. Once done, back up to iCloud or a computer. Then update iOS immediately. Updates often fix slow security checks and true depth performance. While the system downloads, close background apps and charge the phone above 50% so the update and subsequent tests run smoothly. These steps avoid false positives and ensure you can safely change Face ID or passcode settings. You now focus on the complex middle steps that reduce authentication delay. First, reset Face ID and re-enroll with a neutral background and steady lighting. Make sure nothing covers the true depth area. Next, toggle Require Attention for Face ID to test responsiveness. Some users get faster unlocks with it off, others faster with it on, so try both. Also review passcode options. A shorter, secure passcode can speed entry versus a long alphanumeric one. Test between changes to measure improvement. You finish by validating results and knowing one clear fallback. Restart the iPhone and perform several unlock attempts to confirm shorter delays. If things improved, keep the chosen settings and monitor for a few days. If delays persist despite updates, resets, and re-enrollment, restore the device from your backup or schedule Apple diagnostics. Hardware faults in the True Depth system cause persistent lag. And remember, keep the front sensor area clean and unobstructed. That alone prevents many intermittent security delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.